If you've got an upcoming trolling motor install on your boat, these new Tiny Boat Nation trolling motor electrical wiring kits are exactly what you need to make sure that you've got all your bases covered and you don't leave anything out. Stick around, I'll tell you all about these new kits and show you what comes in them. Wiring up a trolling motor does not have to be complicated at all, and we have created these kits to take all the headache and stress out of installing a new trolling motor on your boat. They're going to come with everything you need to make the install process go smooth, and you don't have to worry about whether or not you ordered all the right stuff or picked up all the things that you need and get this install completed without any problems. So your trolling motor wiring kit starts with our circuit breaker. This is a 60 amp circuit breaker, should handle most of your trolling motors out on the market today. It is a resettable fuse. You just push this little button right here, it breaks the circuit, so it can also be used as an on-off switch for your trolling motor circuit. To get your trolling motor installed and set up correctly, you're going to need two different sets of ring terminals. We've included them in the kit. You've got some 3/8" ring terminals that are going to use to connect your wire to your battery, and you've got some 1/4" ring terminals that will connect your battery wires to your circuit breaker. You will probably only need 2 of each of these, but we've included 4 in these kits just in case you make a mistake, have a slip up during your crimping process, or you cut a wire too short and didn't crimp all the way. These are extra backups for you just in case. If you want to pretty up your connections a little bit, we've also included some pre-cut red and black heat shrink so that you can put that on your battery wires and your terminal connectors to give it a real professional look when you get done. If you need to lengthen your trolling motor wire, or you want to connect your leads from your trolling motor to this wire, we've included some crimpable 6-gauge butt connectors. For most installs, you might only need 2 of these, but we've included 4 in the package just so you have some extras. Now, all of these wiring connectors that I just talked about are tin copper. They're completely marine safe, and you will never have to worry about corrosion with these. Now, all of that is what comes in each one of the kits. The only difference in the 4 kits that we offer is how much wire you get with them. Now, the wiring you're going to be getting with these kits is a red and black 6-gauge wire. That is 6 AWG, and it is rated to handle just about any trolling motor out on the market right now. This wire is also multi-strand tin copper, so it's completely safe to be used in a marine application. This wire is also UV resistant and oil resistant as well. Now, the 4 options that you have are 5 feet, 10 feet, 15, and 20, and these should cover most of your boat installs for trolling motors. And the reason for the different lengths is just depends on where you want to put your battery for your trolling motor. Some people like to put their battery up front, right near the trolling motor, so you may only need 5 or 10 feet of wire to make it from that battery up to your trolling motor. And for the people who like to put the trolling motor battery either in the middle or back of the boat, you may need more wire. So that's why we also have the option of a 15 or 20 foot kit. In addition to the trolling motor wiring kit, you will have the option to purchase a trolling motor plug. It's totally personal preference. Not everybody likes to run a trolling motor plug. Some people like to hardwire, and that's totally okay. There's nothing wrong with that. But for the guys that do like trolling motor plugs, we have a really nice one that we recommend that is a quick lock. It actually snaps into place and locks so that it will not come out. And with a simple twist of this blue knob, the trolling motor will come unplugged. The receptacle end that you will actually mount into your boat includes a rubber dust cover, so you can keep that covered up when your trolling motor is not in use. Or if you're one of those folks that likes to actually remove your trolling motor from your boat from time to time, this is a great option. This is not included in the kit, but it is available for anybody that wants it. So I've got a link down in the description box below this video that will take you over to these trolling motor wiring kits if you're interested in purchasing one. I've also got some links to video resources that will show you how to do wiring on your trolling motor if that is something that you are interested in. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Our contact information is down there as well.